Start this video at the start of this loaf, and I follow the directions, easy peasy, no mixing, into my container. I'm gonna pop it into this bread maker and see how beautiful my first loaf is. Let's see if I can get this in here with one hand. Good to go. Close the lid. It has this great display which lights up once you make any moves. Right here is what I'm gonna choose. So number one, bread. I followed their pesto bread recipe. Let's see how it turns out. So on number one, I have the nut container on right now, so I can easily turn that off. I'm not gonna have nuts, and that's it. I'm gonna hit start. And it should take about 3 hours. It has already started to mix, and I will let you know how it turns out and give you a full review. Okay, it shows it's resting. We're just a couple minutes in here, but I wanted to show you how well it mixed my ingredients that I just layered inside. And we are done. Take this up and see, I have a full-size loaf. This has been sitting in here for a second. It had puffed up significantly. Let's see how easy this is to come out and cut, and then I'll give you that full review. All right, so let's see how this comes out of slides. Slides right out perfectly. That is a really great non-stick surface. Look how little is still in the pan. So of course I'm gonna have that little mark from my stirring paddle underneath, but the rest of this is absolute perfection. Let's see how it cuts. Ooh, beautiful and smooth. This is a great slice of bread. All right, this is all that's left of that loaf of bread that you just watched me make. It was so incredibly easy, this bread maker. Let me put this aside and I'm gonna show you all the details of this machine. So come on in and let me show you first. So what a gorgeous unit. This thing is just good looking. I have it plugged in, but watch how easy it is to wake up the screen, and I have a nice bright LED there that I can choose not just my loaf size. That's what you see flashing here at the start. The loaf you saw me make was a 750 gram loaf. So you can see by changing with the dial from 750 to 1,000 grams, that was the first thing I chose. The next I'm able to choose how well done I want it. So that is as well done as it can be. Medium, which is what I had chosen, or lightly toasted. So I'm gonna leave that set in the center. And then I get to choose what cycle I'm going to use. So over on the left here, right on the screen, as I mentioned, all of those are right there. So I never have to worry about losing the manual or anything of that nature. I always have all of my settings right there, literally at my fingertips. I did use a recipe. By the way, this comes with, the instruction manual comes with a recipe list of different things to make. And that pesto bread was right out of this manual, and I can't get over how good it was. We made grilled cheese last night with it, and everybody raved. And it was as easy as layering things as they are instructed in the manual. That is the only thing you need to know about making a great loaf of bread in this bread maker. It has a gorgeous inner cooking container, by the way. The bread slid out of this so easy, as you saw. And one thing I really like too is that the removable paddle in here actually came with 2 of them. So I'm able to easily pop in, pop out, because this is the part that gets dirtiest whenever I am making bread, and it's easy to clean out with the tools. Even comes with these little measuring cups and the cutest little glove to bait or grab your your pan out of it when it's done baking. So I definitely think this is just a little extra luxe version of a bread maker, because not only did it make that great loaf in no time at all, it looks good sitting on my countertop. And that's one of my favorite things these days when I'm looking at newer appliances, because I've run out of place to store things. So if, like me, this is something that's gonna sit out, this is gorgeous. It's great looking, so you don't have to worry about it just being another yucky appliance sitting out on the counter. So highly recommend this one for many reasons. Number one, the aesthetics, which maybe isn't important to everybody, but two, the simplicity of the monitor or the screen here and how easy it is to choose your settings. And three, how easy it was to clean, how easy that bread slid out of there. And it made it so quick to just wipe out and get ready for the next one. So highly recommend this one. Thanks to the brand for sending it to me for review, because this one is definitely gonna stay on the counter.